In this video, I'd like to talk about the importance of accomplishing those simple tasks that we always have on our list. For example, you might be going to bathe. Maybe what you know that you're going to do is that you're going to bathe. After bathing, you're going to wash the sponge and then wash the shirt that you were wearing. In most cases, those simple tasks of washing the shorts and the sponges are ignored. Even let's say you're going for office work and maybe you did not find enough time to brush your shoes in the evening, so you decide to go with unbrushed shoes, or maybe you forgot brushing and you decide to go with mouth that is not brushed even after taking breakfast. Mention them. There are so many. Maybe you're dating someone and it's your anniversary or the birthday of that person, but you forget to give them a flower to show them that you love them. You say, after all, they know that I love them. The other time I bought her a dress, I bought her a phone, I did this and this, but you ignore those small things. Well, I'd like to tell you that they are not really big things that matter. They are not really big things that build strong and admirable character. They are just small things. Those small things that you do not ignore. The small things that you keep your eye on. Those small things, maybe you're walking with your girlfriend and you realize that she might be knocked by a car that she had not seen, and you decide to pull her and say, let's walk on this side of the road so that it does not knock you down. The small things like such, they show people that you are so mindful. Maybe let's say you're in your office and you forget to, actually even not forgetting, you realize that your window is not closed and maybe it might rain when you're not in the office, but you say, let me just leave it here, I'm going to close that window when I finish my work. And then maybe by any reason you forget to close it, so you finish work. Maybe let's say you're finishing at 5, you leave the office, you close and go. You never know, you might be off and it rains and the water spills on the documents you left in the office or even the computers, and very many things become spoiled, and that does not portray a very good picture before your boss sees. It shows a very big point of negligence. It shows that you're negligent, because if you cannot take care of those small things, it means that you are not efficient. You cannot take full charge and responsibility of bigger tasks that may be entitled to you or that may be left to you to take care of. So keeping track and very good track of those small tasks shows people that you are really mindful about what you do. You are really careful with what you do. You are mindful of any situation. You're very careful in whatever you do, because they are not really big things. Let's say you're supposed to hold a meeting. It's not about calling people to a meeting and then you talk to them. Well, that needs it, but you also have to have the small important things like communication skills, talking well to people, those small things that show people that you are really good in what you do and you know what you do, you have experience. They so much affect our character. For example, in youth like me, when you do not take very good track of those things, it affects your character and it will be reflected in whatever you get to do. For example, if you get a fancy job, because you do not take very good track of those, it will be portrayed whether you want it or not, because it's in you. So if you forget about that, it's going to affect your work relationship, maybe with your boss or with your colleagues, because you do things the way you want. You do not mind about anything. For example, taking you back, if you bathe and maybe postpone washing your shirt for the time you'll be going to bed, you might forget. And let's say you had to, so you bathe today, you put on a clean one, and then when you Come the next day, after bathing, you realize that the one you were supposed to wash last night is still the way you left it, because you postponed. Because when you postpone the washing, when you get to sleep, you'll be so tired and say, I can't find energy to wash it, so maybe I will wash it tomorrow. And you know what happens? You end up wearing something that again, because you just ignored something and decided to postpone it to some other time. Maybe washing your sponge. It's very important to wash the sponge which you use to bathe, because if you leave it unwashed and maybe you leave it down there or anywhere, it's going to keep that dirty water and it's going to affect you. After some time, you'll feel weak and going to the hospital, they tell you you have an infection. From where? You say, I've never used maybe a public washroom or anything, but you get it from your room. So take very good care of those small things. They are so important in our lives. They matter so much. The character we get, or the character we bring up, or the character we groom, they matter so much in our places of work. They matter so much when we are dating. So if you do not take very good care of those small things, they affect your life and affect it so much. I hope I'm talking to someone, and I really hope that I've helped someone out there. I thank you so much for watching and wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021. Love you guys always. Please take a very good care of this. I really love you, and not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, so that something of the kind does not get away from you, or you do not miss out on such if I bring any other video of the kind or even better than this in the same line. I thank you so much once again, and I wish you good luck. Goodbye.